Yeah, Mr. Silver 9759. I'm gonna hit this park again. I see cops down there, but I don't know what that is. Maybe they're waiting for a helicopter to land or something. I don't know. But we'll go in there and see. Alright, get back to you. First coin memorial. No wheat. That's odd. Now, you don't see that anymore. Pair of metal glasses with the rubber tips. Wow, was laying almost on top of the ground. I think they're aluminum. Almost dark. Probably after a half hour ago, and that's it. Yeah, red-tailed hawk must have had some good time off this bird, because it wasn't here yesterday. There's a red-tail right there, fighting with it. Ate it all up. Nature of its course. Just killed it down there on that little hump and then carried it over here and killed it. Ate it. Maybe it was another red-tailed hawk, because this looks like a red-tailed Italian right there. Something else must have killed the other one, bigger, probably a big turkey buzzard or something. Yeah, I just found this baby thing. I don't know what it is. Maybe load your baby gun with, but it's these babies are pretty big. I got the babies there, a couple babies there, push rod here, a spring. I think that's load your babies or muzzle load or something. Anybody can tell me what that is? I'd appreciate that. It's pretty heavy too. That's SMM on it. I think it may be a muzzle loader or something. Alright, get back to you. I got the tiniest grape shot I ever seen. Unless it's cut in half. It looked like a ring. Maybe I got it all. Yeah, right. I don't know if you can see it, but struck a nickel on the surface there, on this old path. I don't think it's silver though. Thought it was, but it's not.